In this video, I will explain how to take the earpads off the Tronsmart Sounfii Q20 headphones. All it takes is a tool like this or something similar, and a little patience to get it open. Insert the tool in the gap between the earpads and the plastic, then gently wiggle it toward the edge until you hear a snap. The clips are positioned in the corner, so make sure to slowly guide the tool over there and wiggle it a bit. During the making of this video, I wasn't able to find any earpad replacements, but if I do find some later, I'll make sure to share the links in the comments. And that's it for today's video. I'll be back with another one soon. Peace.